Ahoy! I am your Slovak grammar superhero, and today I'll show you how Slovak verbs work. Look here. This is to have in Slovak. And these are the 6 ways we can say it for 6 different persons. Yeah, it looks hard and scary, but by the end of this video, you will know how to use verbs in Slovak.
Learn Slovak with Philip.
In English, the verb changes for just one person. I, you, we all together, you both, or even they have something. But he or she has. That little s is the only change, and it only shows up in the third person. Slovak takes that idea and runs with it. The ending changes for every person, and that ending already tells you who is doing it. There are 6 persons you need. Let me show them. Ja, ty, you, one person. On, he, ona, she, ono, it. My, we, vy, you, many people or polite. Oni, they. Remember these 6. Every verb is going to march through them in the same order. Read these 6 Slovak pronouns out loud. Ja, ty, on, ona, ono. My, vy, oni. Now we hang verbs on it. Our first verb is mať, to have. I'll give you each form with a tiny sentence so you hear it doing real work. And I'll say the pronoun first so you always know who is who. Ja mám. I have. Ja mám. Ja mám YouTube kanál. I have a YouTube channel. Ja mám YouTube kanál. Which you are watching right now. Ja mám. Ty máš. You have. Ty máš. Ty máš telefón. You have a phone, probably the one you're watching me on. Ty máš. Ty máš telefón. On má. He has. In Slovak, the verb form for the third person singular doesn't change between genders. It's the same for he and she. Ona má. She has. And also for it. Ono má. It has. But this one is not very common. We usually don't say, it has something. We name the thing instead. So instead of ono má problém, it has a problem, we rather say, auto má problém. The car has a problem. Auto má problém. And some sentences. On má auto. He has a car. On má auto. Ona má kávu. She has a coffee. Ona má kávu. My máme. We have. My máme. My máme čas. We have time, no rush. My máme čas. Vy máte. You have. Vy máte. Vy máte bicykle. You have bicycles. Vy máte bicykle. Oni majú. They have. Oni majú. Oni majú psa. They have a dog. Oni majú psa. And now a little secret. Because the ending already tells you who, Slovaks usually drop the pronoun completely. Mám ends in M, so it can only mean I have. Ja mám. Listen to the same sentences again, the way Slovaks actually say them. Mám YouTube kanál. Máš telefón. Má kávu. Máme čas. Máte bicykle? Majú psa. Same meaning, shorter. You'll like that. Mám, máš, má, máme, máte, majú. Second verb, chcieť, to want. That CH sound is not English. It's from the back of the throat, like gently clearing it. Chcem. Ch. Ch. Don't panic if it feels odd. It comes with practice. By the way, if it seems too hard, check out my video about pronunciation. It's on my channel, remember? Mám YouTube kanál. I have a YouTube channel, and on that channel, there is a video about Slovak pronunciation. Okay, Back to grammar. And remember the secret. You can say ja chcem, but you can also just say chcem. The M at the end already tells everyone I'm talking about myself. So from now on, I'll say the verbs without the pronoun, the way Slovaks do. Chcem. Chcem kávu. I want a coffee. You'll use this one on day 1 in Slovakia, unless you don't drink a coffee like me. Chceš. You want. And it can also be a question. Just add a question mark and change the intonation. Chceš? Do you want? Chceš pizzu? Do you want a pizza? Just connect chceš with a noun and you can ask about anything. Chceš plus pivo. Chceš pivo? Do you want a beer? Chceš pivo? Chceš plus jablko. Chceš jablko? Do you want an apple? Chceš jablko? Or you can also connect chceš with another verb. The previous verb in this video was mať, to have. Chceš mať? Do you want to have? Chceš mať? Or do you remember ťahať, to pull, from my video about the alphabet? Chceš ťahať? Do you want to pull? Chceš ťahať? It's easy, isn't it? Now you can ask a lot of questions. I hope you can see your progress. Let's learn the third person singular now. Chce. He wants, or she wants, or it wants. Chce. Chce spať. He wants to sleep. Chce spať. Chceme. Chceme. We want. Chceme. Chceme viac. We want more. I've been reading the comments under my videos, and I'm really happy how many of you want more. Chceme viac. We want more videos. Fits perfectly right here. Comments like that keep me going, so if you enjoy this, leave a like or a comment. And now, second person plural. Chcete. You want. Or we can just add a question mark and make a question out of it. Chcete? Just like in the singular. Do you want? Chcete pivo? Do you want beer? Chcete pivo? A very common question in Slovakia. Chcú. They want. Chcú. Chcú ísť domov. They want to go home. Chcú ísť domov. Now let me show you all 6 forms in one simple table. This is how we'll look at verbs from now on.
This is verb conjugation chart.
On the left side, singular, one person. Ja chcem, ty chceš, on chce. On the right, plural, more people. My chceme, vy chcete, oni chcú. One verb, 6 forms, one picture. Actually 7 including the infinitive. Third verb, hovoriť, to speak. You know the drill now. Hovorím. Hovorím. Hovorím po slovensky. I speak Slovak, and soon, so will you. Hovorím. I speak. Hovoríš. You speak. Hovoríš po anglicky. You speak English. That's why I'm explaining in English. Hovoríš. Hovorí. He speaks. Hovorí rýchlo. He speaks fast. Hovorí rýchlo. Hovorí. Hovoríme. We speak. Hovoríme pomaly. We speak slowly, always on this channel. Hovoríme. Hovoríte. You speak. Hovoríte po anglicky? Do you speak English? The polite question that can save you anywhere in my country, actually everywhere in the world. Hovoríte. Hovoria. They speak. Hovoria po česky. They speak Czech, close to Slovak, but not the same. Hovoria. They speak. And by the way, these 3 verbs were not a random pick. Slovak verbs come in a few big families, and you can tell the family by the vowel. Mať showed you the A family. Mám, máš, má. Chcieť showed you the E family. Chcem, chceš, chce. And hovoriť showed you the I family. Hovorím, hovoríš, hovorí. 3 verbs, 3 families. Most regular Slovak verbs you'll ever meet belong to one of them. Look at all 3 together, and look only at the endings. 4 of the 6 endings are basically the same every time. Ja is M, ti is sh, mi is me, vi is te. Learn those 4 and you're most of the way there for a huge number of Slovak verbs. Honest heads up on the other 2. The on form is just the stem, má, chce, hovorí. And the oni form is the one that shifts the most, majú, chcú, hovoria. That's the one to watch. Every language has that one verb that refuses to follow the rules. In Slovak, it's byť, to be. And here's the thing, English has the exact same troublemaker. I am, you are, he is. That barely looks like one verb, right? You handle a wild irregular to be every day. This won't break you. I am, ja som, Filip. I'm Philip. Nice to meet you. You are, ty si student. You're a student. Well, right now you are. You're studying Slovak. He is, on je, she is, ona je, or it is, ono je, je. Káva je dobrá. The coffee is good. We are, my sme v Bratislave. We're in Bratislava. By the way, there is Slovak newspaper called Sme, like we are. But they are not sponsors of this video, so whatever. You are, plural. Vy ste. Ste doma? Are you at home? They are, oni sú. Slováci sú milí. Slovaks are nice. We are, mostly. And here's the chart thingy. Look at it carefully, because this is the one to memorize. Som, si, je, sme, ste, sú. No neat pattern, just learn it like a little song. It's the only full verb in this video you truly have to memorize. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time on Learn Slovak with Philip. I am Philip. Som Filip. And that's it for today. Ahoj!